Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of constantly worrying about your TV remote getting dirty, scratched, or lost, then I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the colorful silicone case protective sheath for LG AKB737565510, AKB7375650, AKB736155303, AKB732756118 series TV remote control cover. This silicone case is not only environmentally friendly, but it's also shock-proof, durable, and comfortable to hold. It effectively protects your remote from oil, sweat, and tea water, keeping it looking brand new. The quicksand texture adds a touch of beauty and also prevents slipping, so you can ensure a secure grip on your remote at all times. The hollowed-out middle area and opening design allow for smooth signal reception from the sensor, ensuring that your remote functions just as well with the case on. And the best part? It's washable, dirt-proof, and flexible, making it a breeze to install and remove. But wait, there's more. This protective sheath comes in a variety of luminous and bright colors, adding a stylish and beautiful touch to your remote. Plus, the added luminescence makes it easy to find your remote even in the dark. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to constantly replacing your TV remote and hello to convenience and protection with the colorful silicone case protective sheath. Check out the link in the description to get yours today and take the first step towards a worry-free remote experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.